Sun safety, a year-round commitment. As the sun rises high over the picturesque landscapes of Colorado, it casts its warm rays upon an eager populace. Outdoor enthusiasts flock to the mountains, lakes, and parks, soaking up the natural beauty of the Centennial State. However, while the sun brings joy and vitality, it also poses significant health risks, especially for Coloradans who are exposed to elevated levels of ultraviolet radiation. This video explores the dangers of sun exposure, particularly in regions where sunny days and high altitudes amplify the risks, while providing essential tips for effective sun safety. Please click the like button to help this video thrive, and also, please subscribe to my channel for more to come. The high-stakes gamble of sun exposure. Coloradans experience a troubling reality. They are diagnosed with skin cancer at rates higher than the national average. Statistically, 21.9 out of every 100,000 Coloradans are affected, compared to 19.7 per 100,000 nationwide. This stark disparity can be attributed to several factors, including altitude, lifestyle, and a lack of awareness about sun safety. Understanding UV radiation. The sun emits two primary types of UV radiation, UVA and UVB. Both pose threats to our skin and overall health. UVB rays are responsible for sunburn, while the longer UVA rays penetrate deeper into the skin, causing more profound damage, including premature aging and increased risk of skin cancer. The invisible nature of UV radiation often leads to underestimating its potency. Even on overcast days, up to 80% of these harmful rays can penetrate through the clouds, making sun safety a year-round concern. The risks of excessive sun exposure. Excessive sun exposure can lead to a range of health issues beyond skin cancer. These include skin aging. Prolonged UV exposure accelerates skin aging, leading to wrinkles and leathery skin. Eye problems. UV rays reflecting off surfaces like snow, sand, or water can lead to conditions such as cataracts and photokeratitis, commonly known as snow blindness. Immune system weakness. Chronic UV exposure may weaken the immune system, reducing the body's ability to fight off diseases. Unsightly skin conditions. Sun exposure can cause sunspots and other skin blemishes. The cumulative effect of these dangers highlights the importance of proactive sun safety measures. Practical sun safety strategies. To mitigate the risks associated with sun exposure, Coloradans and outdoor enthusiasts can adopt several essential strategies. 1. Reduce time in the sun. Understanding when to seek shade is crucial. The sun's rays are strongest between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. During these hours, it's advisable to stay in the shade as much as possible. Planning outdoor activities in the early morning or late afternoon can significantly reduce exposure to harmful UV radiation. 2. Dress with care. Clothing can be a formidable barrier against UV rays. Wearing long-sleeve shirts, long pants, and wide-brimmed hats can provide additional protection. Moreover, specialized sun-protective clothing with built-in SPF is available, although consumers should be aware that the FDA does not regulate such products unless a medical claim is made. For added safety, using umbrellas or canopies for shade is also recommended. 3. Protect your eyes. Sunglasses are an essential accessory in sun safety. However, not all sunglasses offer adequate protection. When purchasing sunglasses, consumers should look for labels indicating 99 to 100% UV protection. It's important to be cautious with tinted eyewear marketed as fashion accessories, as these may provide minimal UV protection. To ensure quality, consider consulting an eye care professional who can test your sunglasses for adequate UV protection. 4. Regular skin checks. Self-examinations are vital in detecting early signs of skin cancer. Individuals should regularly inspect their skin for changes in the size, shape, color, or texture of moles, birthmarks, or other spots. Unhealing sores should also prompt a visit to a healthcare professional. Skin cancer can affect anyone, regardless of skin color, making vigilance essential. The impact of medications. Many individuals may not realize that certain medications can increase sensitivity to the sun. If you are on medication, consulting with your healthcare provider about potential sun care precautions is prudent. Awareness of how medications can affect your body's reaction to sunlight is a key component of comprehensive sun safety. Community and education. Education plays a pivotal role in enhancing awareness about sun safety. Schools, local governments, and healthcare providers should collaborate to promote sun safety campaigns, particularly in regions like Colorado, where the risks are heightened. Initiatives might include community workshops, hosting sessions to educate families about the importance of sun safety, proper skin checks, and protective measures. School programs, implementing sun safety education into school curriculums to instill awareness in children from a young age. Public service announcements, utilizing local media to broadcast messages about the risks of UV exposure and the importance of protective behaviors. Conclusion. In a state where the allure of the outdoors is ever present, it is crucial for Coloradans to remain vigilant about sun safety. The risks associated with UV exposure are significant, and the potential for skin cancer and other health issues is real. By adopting simple yet effective protective measures, individuals can enjoy the sun safely, reducing their risk of sun-related health issues while still relishing the beauty that Colorado has to offer. As we conclude this video, remember, sun safety is never out of season. Every day presents an opportunity to protect ourselves and our loved ones from the harmful effects of the sun. Embrace the sun, but do so wisely.